Hi everyone, so welcome. Today we will be learning how to use Canva in creating some mockups, as we call it, mockup. The mockup are basically uh, ways to present your project in real life experience. You know, and so first, for the example we'll be doing today, we'll be creating a kind of phone mockup, and we'll be using our same phone mockup to create a design. So let's get into it. So before this class, I got a screen grab of my phone. Yep. The Instagram profile of this business. So Samuel Mobile Investments. So I got this screen grab, and we'll be using this for in creating the mockup. So first we go to canva.com. And since we'll be working with a social media kind of design, so we preferably want to go with a social media size, an Instagram size preferably, and that's a square size rather. And how do you get access to this mockup in Canva? It's simple. All you need to do is just go to Elements, then go to Frames. You can see Frames here, right after Shapes. You can see Frames in the Elements kind of panel or tab. So you can click on See All, right? So we could see various elements, various frames, kind of frames that we have. So we can use these frames to create real life mockups. You could see a MacBook, we could see a smartphone, we could see a television, we could see a tablet, and like that, various kinds. So, but today we'll be working with our examples. We'll be working with a smartphone. I showed you a screen grab of an Instagram page, which I took a screen grab. So now applying this mockup is very simple. Once you just bring in your frame, all you need to do is go to where your preferred image is. Before this class, I uploaded the screen grab already. So if you're going to use one of these stock images, you can just come to photos and just come and just click and drag until you could see a kind of reflection of the image inside of the frame. And how do you know that? You can directly see it, or you can check out for these kind of blue lines around. Once those blue lines are there, it shows that okay, it can actually fit in. It can fit in. So you just click and drop it. So like that. So, and if you want to resize, all you need to do is double click and just drag, and just like that, and go back again. So yes, so that's how you work with mockups. But I already told us I was going to work with, so I can easily delete that and go back to normal. So I uploaded. I'll go to upload, and I drag. You could see like that, and I drop. So I think I will need to resize a little bit more. Okay, it's fitting perfectly now. So done. So now we just created a mockup, and that's it. Very simple. The steps: you go to elements, then you go to frames, then you go to then you click your preferred frame, right? So after which you click on your preferred image, then you drag it inside of the frame. Simple. So now I want to apply this particular mockup in a design. So how do we do that? Still on this same page. So all I will need to do now is select my smartphone and try to resize a little bit. So I just want to create a kind of follow follow us design kind of. So I think I would want to change the background color. So yeah, yes. So I want to add a little bit of shape, so I can just go back from frames to shape, and I think I want to work with this. Right, I click and drag it in, try to resize, and this is a creative journey, so I would like to explore quite a lot of things. So I think I would have this way. So all I need to, I want to send it to the back of the smartphone. So I right click, then I go to send back. Right. So I think I have that. Then I would want to duplicate this. So very simple. You could duplicate by pressing Control C to copy, then Control V to paste. Right. Or you could click on the Alt key on your keyboard, then you drag. So like that. Right. So I would want to change this color to, I think, white preferably. Yeah, yes we are. We're here. So up next I would put in some text. So let's say go to text, and if you go to, I'll just click on this particular template here and just drag it in and edit. And what would I follow us? Okay, sorry. Follow us today. So I just drag this out. I change the alignment to left and try to reduce the text width like that. Probably the spacing between the letters like that, and I think I need to make this a little bit bigger. So I think 72 is fine. Yes. So I want to add a little subheading right there. So probably I just write for creative content. Creative content on sales and marketing. So I'll align this to the left. Also try to reduce the line spacing like that and reduce the size. 32 is fine. Sales and marketing. Okay, yes. So all we need to do next is just try to align and just mix some movement. So like that. So we're done with that. Then so we might need to add the undo. So let's just add the undo. Let's go with this. Okay, at Sami Omoba Investment. So I'm thinking of the best place to put this. I think here is fine. So I just reduce the size a little bit and change the color. So I think I work with white. So just to create a little bit of emphasis on this, I would like drag it out a little bit. I dragged out a little bit Then, yes, we're good. So yeah, so just to recap, we're able to create a mockup. Then we use that same mockup to like create a kind of tag, a kind of flyer design for social media. And yes, we're done. So thank you guys for joining. See you next time. So you can always download your design after you're done, and you click on download. So yes, and so here's our design. So guys, thank you for joining us, and see you next time.